Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Becky. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Welcome to the first vlog of 2023. I hope you love it and you enjoy it, and it starts off at the crossover service. Let's go.
but I can't even hold myself up right. And all of those tears you cry for me, well, I use them to cry myself to sleep. I can't hold you down when... I guess I thought I'd have it figured out by now, but I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know how anybody else knows. Time keeps moving, I keep getting older. Fuck, where did my life go? I gave it up for something false I thought I chose. Here and now I'm waiting for a sign to tell me something.
Hello guys, so today is the 3rd day of the year. Yeah, 3rd of January, and ordered from this Fine and Dine joint. I don't know which one exactly, but that is where they are. Let me open this and show you guys if it's nice, if it's worth it, because if it's not worth it, I don't know what I'll do. So yeah, let me open this up. So for 2 shawarmas and fries, 2 fries and coleslaw, yeah, that's all it is, and it was $5.60 each. So shawarma and fries, one $5.60. Yeah, and they deliver. I'll tell you what it tastes like. Hi guys, so out for late lunch at Munchies. I've gotten fish fingers, coleslaw, and masala fries. My date got normal fries, basic. So yeah.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, good morning. Hi guys of the vlog. So today, actually, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Becky. I bring you awesome, fun, and timely content on all my platforms. So make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you are missing out on amazing content. Happy New Year! This is the first time I'm vlogging this year, and it's so surprising because it's the first week of the year, so we are safe. So I just decided to begin this vlog here because if I don't know when it will start. Today is Friday. The date has skipped my mind, but I'm leaving the house. I am going for something exciting. Oh, God is such a good God. Yeah. I was not to leave the house, but I have to leave to go see family. But for now, I want to unbox 2 things that I got over the Christmas period. Not one I got as a gift for Christmas, and then the other one I bought yesterday. And then I'll show you the last thing, which is a bag that I also got as a Christmas present. So yesterday I went to NT Beauty and Skincare Hub. They are on Instagram. This is their page. This is what it looks like. I went there to get a serum. I hope you guys have seen the name and the Instagram. I got myself this niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum, niacinamide from The Ordinary. This is what it looks like. This I have added to my nighttime skincare routine. I have been looking for this and finally got it at a great price. This I bought for 1300 if I'm not wrong. I don't know, just check their page. I don't know why it's keeping my mind, and I just got it yesterday. And I also like cute packaging, well thought packaging. Then if you guys remember when the last vlog, my Christmas shopping vlog, where I unboxed my ring light, my new ring light from Lenny Venture, I told you guys there's a vlogging kit that I wanted to get that I was saving up for because it is not cheap. Guys, tell me why that day I'm traveling, I literally get in the car and the person I'm traveling with is like, Becky, that bag is your Christmas gift, and inside, guys, me, I'm telling you, my God never sleeps. This is the thing I wanted to get next. What are the odds? What are the odds? As in, literally, this made me shed tears. I was like, oh my goodness. I was about to spend a few months saving up to get me this, and someone just got it. And I remember they were telling me, literally, the Holy Spirit kept telling them to get me this. I don't know how many times. So just know, God is mindful. If you're in a space where you're wondering, is God hearing, is God watching? He's hearing, he's watching, he's very mindful of you, and he's working out things for your good. So just trust, because let me tell you, this for me, this was just amazing. So it's a video making kit. So it has, let me show you what it has. You open up the box, guys, I shed tears. This was so thoughtful. Oopsie, that is my Bluetooth shutter. My remote. Now, guys, I have 2 Bluetooth remotes because my ring light also came with a remote. This is what we have in here, and when you put it together, it is supposed to look like this. So I am so excited. I am so happy that I get to have intentional friends. Yeah, so I guess I can, let's just set it up. Let me just set it up and see. So it has a tripod, a light, a microphone, a holder, and a remote control. These are the components. I don't know where she got it. Those are not questions you ask. When you're gifted, you shut up and receive the gift, okay? So this is the tripod. So how does this work, guys? Do you think I have an idea? Okay, that's better. Then let's see. I hope this goes on here. There you go, guys. I'm clueless. The light goes on top of this, goes here. I want to test it out and see if I get the assembly right, because it's all about assembling. If you can't get that right, like that. Then on top here, where does the light go? Okay, the light goes there. Then the microphone. There, guys, this thing is not the Okay, guys, I'm smart, hey? All right, I figured it out. Hello guys, Becky here. So this was me testing the vlogging kit, and guys, believe it or not, here goes nothing, because I placed the microphone plugin wrong. So this whole video doesn't have audio, but I will just tell you what I was doing. I was explaining. First, I really like it. It is very light to hold with the hand, not heavy at all. Then something else I liked about it is the light. You can add the light here. The light was on. My skin was looking pang. It was just giving what it was supposed to give. Then I showed you guys a bag, the bag that came with this gift. It is this chondo bag. Love, love, love. Thank you so much, my darling, for getting me this. You know I love you, girl. You know I love you so much. So that was it. That is the bag I got. Then here I was just explaining to you guys that I like the kit and what I was planning to do for the day. I was going out, and that's it. If you have watched to this part of the video, I really love you. I appreciate you. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. I'll see you guys on my next vlog, which will be a few days from this one. Share this video. Leave me a comment down below of what you're expecting me to do this year. And yeah, bye.
Just run away with me.